Here we go. This is Amazing Grace. I'm sorry, Amazing Grace. I'm thinking, oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, F bass, C, F, A on the right hand. C, F, and A. Keep the F and A there on the right hand. Go to B flat, D, F, A over C bass for the C 13th. Change of the A to the G, A. Another inversion of F, A, C, F over F. G minor 7th, which is F, B flat, and D. G, C, F over A for the G, E, Zus. Then A, D, F on the right hand over B on the left hand. I'm sorry. O. That would be B flat, E, and G, or beg with a flat and the B over C. And then that would be O. That would be B flat, D, and G, or the change just from E to D, and the change on the G bass. So O, how, to the F, to the G, three would be CFA over A. CFA over A. To the six, a six would be C, E flat, G flat, and A over D bass. B flat, D, and F, and sorry, B flat, D, and G over the G for the 2. 5, B flat, E, and G over the C. A, C, F over the F, G. So let me see. Let me play it up to now so it makes sense out of it. Wait a minute. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. That's the last one. B flat, E, and A over C, and then hit that O, and I'm repeating now C, F, and A over F. How? Repeating that B flat, D, F, and A over C. A, G, A, G, A, C, F, G, E, I mean, sorry, did I say ACF over C? ACF over F for Jesus. Sus is FAC over F. B from because is G flat, A, C, and E flat over G flat. And here's the chords we'll use for the 2-5 walk up. We'll use chord, that would be B, that would be B flat, D flat, F and G over G bass. Because us is A, C, F, and G over A. Cause E would be like the 2 chord from the 2-5 walk up but inverted. C, D flat, F, G, and B flat over B flat bass. Then we go to first, which would be F inversion, F second inversion at the ninth over the C. So it's a C, F, G, and A over C. C, E, G over C. And ACF over F for me. So played out all together. This is just a simple version of Oh How I Love Jesus. And that would be Oh How I Love Jesus. Oh How I love Jesus. And we go back to the top. Oh, how I love Jesus. We go, sorry, because he first loved me. So a little bit faster. I'll try it. No. I'm sorry. And that would be like this. And that covers it. Have a blessed day.